Today I'm showcasing 8371 Inca Way, the Pines at Citrus Springs. This is our model home. We are here 7 days a week. Let's take a peek inside. Welcome. Off to your left, you have your formal dining area. Quick little peek into the office. It's a good sized office. Don't want to show you too much because I'm working in there today. Semi-open floor plan. Look at the back wall. All windows, light and bright in here. You have your breakfast nook. Beautiful kitchen, nicely laid out, gives you plenty of room to walk around, share your space with someone that's actually helping you in the kitchen. Big pantry. Off the garage, you have your laundry area. This is a pantry as well. Then on the right side of the house, you have a little back bedroom with exterior access. If you've never been in Adams Homes, these are very pretty houses. They have great finishes. We are currently selling pre-built homes, so you can pick your finishes. That's always fun. There are also homes that are available that are almost move-in ready. The front bedroom has a little walk-in closet. Alrighty, now let's go check out the master suite. The owner's suite with the optional tray ceiling. Isn't that pretty? Again, light and bright. You have access to the outside. Nice covered porch. There's a other room across the hall. This is a deed-restricted community. However, as you can see, you can have a big fence, privacy fence. Master bath with the tile shower. And what's in her closets. It was kind of a quick tour, but if you want to check out the community, check out the model, stop by 8371 Inca, I-N-C-A Way in Citrus Springs. Be happy to show you the homes that are currently available, and you can talk to us about picking the finishes and purchasing a pre-build.